What's up, my crafty friends? I have been busy making sticker books. Whoop whoop. Yes, I have been making a ton of these, and I will show you a little flip through of them. Here is the first one. These I sewed on them, I laminated the cover. I don't have much in this one, just a few, and the rest of it's blank. I seriously need to fill them up. Alright, I'm going to show you the second one. Here is the second one. This one here is planner based, which I don't use a planner much, but I know where it's all at when I do. And there is quite a few in this one. And the back here, got my spring stickers and things like that. So there is that one, and I'll show you the other one. And here is the other one. These I got I made this one to keep all of my packaging things in, to hold my tissue paper together and all, you know what I'm saying. And I think I've got some, no, I thought I had some Christmas ones back here, but there is that one. And now I'll show you the other ones I've made. There's nothing in them, but I'm going to show them to you anyway. Okay, here are my other ones. I have these little bitty guys that are so cute, and I used my digitals to make the inside. So, and it's my Eco Rose digital set, and I used wallpaper for the cover and then just put a picture on the front. So I have all of those, and then I have two of the bigger ones. These are all empty, like I said, and again I used my own digitals for the bigger ones. So, but there they are. If you're interested in purchasing one of these, y'all hit me up, send me a message. Have a good day.